Halika na, sawayan na kita para di ka na nangungutang. Ano ipapakain mo naman sa akin? Baka puro lang hotdog. Baka puro lang hotdog, oh. Ba't nakakauma yan? Sa umaga, hotdog. Sa tanghali, itlog. Sa gabi, itlog alat. Umay tayo niyan. Umay tayo niyan. Wait lang. Magmalike, baby. How did you unfollow? Yazir, I unfollow you, boo. Really? I unfollow you back. Sure, follow me. Come on, Yazir, follow me. I follow you back. Sometimes I'm moody. Oo. It's okay, Yazir. Doesn't matter. I don't know. It's up to you. Sorry. It's so hard to believe. Yeah, Yazir. I have to, you know what? I have to reach my quota. Yeah, it's okay. I follow, but it's okay. Kaya hirap rin mag-English kasi. Oo. Mahirap din kasi mag-English. You know what? Kasi, I waste my time to serve. Hi, Shine. It's okay, Yazir. If I didn't reach my quota, maybe I reach my Gcash. It doesn't matter. I'm good. Peace out. Sometimes. Sometimes people change. Hi, Kuya Uncle. Peso. Stop and light our fire. Hi, Nan. That you will always be mine.